Alright, this is the video for chapter 3.3 angle slider. Once you have finished the part, save it and go to File, New, and this is going to be in millimeters. So make sure you choose metric under the drop down for your units, and I already have this completed for you. You're going to bring in this will be your first view you bring in, and make sure it looks just like this one, and this will be the top view, right side, and isometric. And you got two holes going through, one from the side and one from the top. This one from the top, make sure you put the center mark or the bisector here going down for that hole, and then the one on the side, make sure you put the bisector here for it. Same for this side. The one going through the side will be here with a bisector, and this one from the top view will look like this from the right side view. And also, I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to try to get as many of these dimensions off of the drawing as I can. Sometimes it's very difficult to do it. But this is what your drawing should look like for the angle slider chapter 3.3. And remember, here again you're going to go to text and type in your name, highlight it, use the drop down, go to the highest number, do the same for these, and then make sure you put them in the center of the title block, and also the material, put that in.